Now this is the system which I have made, you can see, with the float valve and this small arrangement with the GI channel, which is 3 inches wide and this length is about 1 feet long. This can be fitted in any cooler. You have existing cooler which is of GI make. Now if you see here, there is this metal piece here. There is always a gap between the two, this and this. This can be removed easily like this. Now this is just inserted inside here, and once you pull it back, so this maintains the level of water 24/7 in the cooler, so you don't have to bother to fill it again and again in the cooler. Thank you so much.